They consider this evil up to certain extent, yes. But if you don't have a proper plan, let's say you ask someone that I need $100 and he will give you $100 and you visit a restaurant and eat pizza. This is a burden on your shoulders because you will repay the amount. But suppose if someone will give you $100 and you invest that $100 somewhere else, so you can easily repay. Investment is better than consumption. Anyhow, let's say if the government thinks that from taxes we will collect this amount, from government bonds we will collect this amount, from fees, from fines, there are other different sources. These are the three major sources. Let's say if the government is unable to finance its expenditures from these sources, in other words, if the government revenue is less than the government expenditures. Now the question is how the government will finance the remaining expenditures. It will come for printing money. When they will start printing money, prices will rise and people will blame the government. So that's why mostly people are blaming the government or the central bank of a country for inflation. But the issue is that the fiscal policy will direct you to print money. It means to understand the fundamental factor behind changes or printing in money, you need to understand the fiscal policy. If there is a government deficit, what the government will do? They will go for loans. Let's say if there is a huge budget deficit, first they will increase tax. So do you think when they will increase tax, there will be no inflation? There will be inflation. So in this case, there will be inflation. Okay, in this case, they will sell bonds to the general public and will get money. And again, if they will ask, let's say for the IMF help, or World Bank, or Asian Development Bank, or any other international donor agency, so you will pay the amount as well, principal amount plus interest rate. So you will again increase the amount of taxes. It means in every aspect there will be increase in prices. Then why again economists criticize this one?
This one is the worst.
Yes, this one is the worst. It means you are welcoming hyperinflation. Otherwise, the central bank, they have printing machines and they will order that, okay, start the printing machine for 1 hour and we need this much amount of dollars, $1 billion, how much time it will take? So if Pakistan is asking from the IMF for financial help, then why they are not printing $1.2 billion in the central bank? Economists told them if you will do so here, nowadays the inflation is 34, then it will be 534 next month. So that's why this is not a good policy. Okay, the last one is classical dichotomy. It means in the classical macroeconomic theory, we can say that money is neutral. Money is neutral. It means it does not affect real variables. So we can study how real variables are determined with reference to the nominal variables. And then the equilibrium. This is the histogram. Okay, that's why this is the end of your chapter. Now look at here. This was the yesterday midterm exam. This will help you in your final term. I have uploaded the question paper. You can download from the Google.
So when is the date of the final?
Just a second.
I think after the